Good morning, Bespoke Babes. It's Dr. Kim. So with everyone wearing masks, we talked last week a little bit about maskne and the irritation and acne that everyone is having from their mask. But the other thing that I'm noticing is people asking about eye treatments. And that's because when we're wearing a mask, all the focus is on the eye and upper face area. So let's talk about all the different treatments we can do to optimize the eye and upper face while you are wearing your mask, because that's where we're going to get the most bang for our buck right now during COVID, when we got to have these masks on. So lots and lots of options for the upper face and eye zone. So of course, one of the most popular is going to be our tox, so Botox, Dysport, Xeomin, or Nutox, where we can do the glabellar lines, tox the glabellar lines, the forehead lines, of course, those annoying crow's feet. I can pop a little bit right underneath your eyes as well, and do a little bit of a tox brow lift to open up that eye area. All of the tox lasts approximately 3 to 4 months, depending on you and the dose that we use. And it starts to work anywhere from 24 hours, 48 hours with Nutox, up to 7 to 10 days with Botox. But all of the toxes do a great job for the 11 lines, forehead, brow lift, crow's feet, and those little wrinkles underneath your eyes. The next option is our tear trough filler. So I only use Teosyal Redensity 2 in the tear trough to fill in that hollow that starts to develop underneath the eye. Redensity 2 from Teosyal is hyaluronic acid filler, which is the standard component in the majority of our fillers. But the Teosyal is the only one that was actually formulated specifically for tear troughs. It has amino acids, minerals, vitamins in it that feed your skin as well. So we're not just camouflaging, we're actually feeding that skin and reversing some of the damage in the tear trough area. The filler goes in with a small needle. So there is swelling, there is bruising. The eyelids are so delicate. So if we're doing tear trough filler, you just have to be prepared for that. There will be some swelling and bruising for a few days afterwards. But it does a really great job of just refreshing those tear troughs and filling in that groove between the lower lid and the cheek. Our next option is a home care option, and that is our Total Eye Kit from Color Science. There's 2 products in here. So one is the Total Eye Concentrate, which is an eye serum that is working to help with fine lines, help with the texture changes, and help with discoloration. And then we have our hydrating masks, and you're going to use your mask 2 to 3 times a week at night to really give that extra boost of hydration into those lower eyelids and crow's feet. So this is an amazing home care Total Eye Kit to really help boost and brighten up those eyes during our COVID mask wearing. Our next options are our Photon Smooth Eye. So our awesome Fotona laser, which does so many things, has an option to do a very light skin smoothing. We can go right on the lower lid, the crow's feet, and the upper lid, right up to the edge of the eye. I do have to put a little protective contact lens in to protect your eye, but we can laser that whole eyelid area. The point of the laser, of course, is to stimulate collagen production. Collagen production in the skin leads to tightening, it leads to smoothing, it leads to lifting, and helping out with those fine line and wrinkles. Generally, with our Fotona Smooth Eye, we're going to do 3 sessions, spread out by 3 to 4 weeks to get our optimal boost and tighten, but you will see results just from one treatment. Next is our Bella Brow. So Bella Hadid is super popular right now. Everyone is loving her brows where she has that real cat eye kind of look with the brow opened up, really opening up the lateral aspect of her eye. So our Bella brow technique is a injectable technique, and it can last up to 18 months to 2 years. We just do it under local anesthetic. And basically we are going to lift and pull, and we can do the Bella cat eye kind of look. If you don't want that much pull, we can do it medially as well to lift that entire eyelid up and really open and brighten up. That upper lid gives you a lot more makeup room as well, so you can really play with the upper eye makeup and those shadows and really get a dramatic eye going, because of course when we're in our mask, really that's the only thing we can draw attention to. So the Bella brow is this amazing technique. Gonna lift, open, and give you a lot more makeup room, a lot more dramatic eye. And then finally, our final option is of course our most invasive, and that's the surgical blepharoplasty. So that actually involves cutting away that upper eyelid skin. It does leave a scar in that upper eyelid crease, but the skin is gone. We do that again just under a local anesthetic, but it's much more invasive, and there's some more downtime with that. So we do have lots and lots of options to really make those eyes pop while we're all stuck during COVID wearing our masks. As always, if you have any questions, concerns, if you're interested in any of the treatments, make sure you message, book in. I know everyone's gonna absolutely love the Bella brow option. It's super cool. And yeah, that's it for today. Message, of course, if you have any questions. Have a great day, Bespoke Babes.